Hey guys, welcome back to the kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. And to my subscribers, welcome back. Today I'll be using coconut in 3 ways. I'll be making coconut streusel, coconut macaroons, and a rich and creamy coconut shake. So if you like these types of videos, just keep watching. On a floured surface, I'll start by rolling out the puff pastry in order to make the strudel. Puff pastry is a light and flaky dough, and it's used to make easy appetizers and desserts, and it can be found in the frozen section of any supermarket. I'll combine the coconut flakes along with the following ingredients in order to make the filling for the strudel. I'll be doing a braided strudel, so I'll cut a few slits on each side, place the filling in the center, and braid the dough. I'll apply an egg wash to the strudel, which is basically 1 egg and about a tablespoon of water. I'll place the strudel in a 400-degree oven and have it bake for 20 minutes. While the strudel bakes, I'll get started on the mixture for the macaroons. Now I'll whisk a few egg whites until they form stiff peaks. The use of the egg whites helps to stabilize the mixture so that you can have perfect macaroons every time. Folding the egg whites into the mixture helps to produce a light and fluffy macaroon. The strudel is out of the oven and it looks and smells oh so good. I've greased and floured a baking sheet. I'll place the macaron mixture on that sheet and put it in a 325-degree oven for 20 minutes. make the shake, I'll combine sweetened coconut milk along with the following ingredients. The macaroons are out of the oven. I'll let them cool, then I'll dip them in some melted milk chocolate. The strudel is moist and flaky, and it tastes oh so good. Now onto my favorite part, plating. There you go, guys. We have our coconut shake, our coconut strudel, and our coconut macaroons. I hope you give this a try. Thanks for the continued support. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified every Friday when I post. Bye!